Yeah, so you hear this train's horn. Kind of sounds warbly. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. Listen. That kind of sounded a bit eerie. That is, if you ask me anyway. It sounds a bit eerie. Train horn sounds really sick. Sounds like there's like some sort of a bubble in the throat of the horn or something, or some liquids, and it's causing it to kind of sound like it's warbly. I don't know if you've actually heard of it, but I'm not talking like something like swing or singing. I'm talking about more like something like that sounds like, really sick, kind of, in a way. Like it has something in the throat, and as it talks, as it blows, it just makes that really weird sound. Like you get some stuff in in your throat, and it sounds like it's gross. But in a way, I don't know if I'm gonna post this or not, but if I do, let me know your opinions on that train horn. Amberwood signing up.